All right.
All right.
All right. What do you? All right. Tell us when to start counting, Alec.
Okay, we'll count down from 10.
Okay. Hello, ladies. Okay.
Okay, 10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Whoa!
There it is.
Whoa!
Yeah, I see it.
Wow!
Yay!
Woo!
That's about 2 football fields right there.
What do you think, babe?
Oh, that's huge.
That's awesome, huh?
Okay, now AJ, you gotta go retrieve it. So where's it gonna land? Is it drifting?
Oh, where's it going?
Where's it going? I think it's coming this way.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's actually pretty good. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Go get it.
You.
Keep going for a little while.
It is. Go get it, go get it, go get it, bud. Go get it. No, on the, yay! Woohoo! Can't thank you enough for doing this.
Oh,
It's awesome.
Great. That was actually like the perfect
Yeah.
launch and retrieval.
Yeah.
Perfect retrieval.
Woohoo! You did it! With his hard hat.
I know.
What's he doing?